Crick levels are strong and durable, and with proper care and maintenance can work longer than the people using them. The Crick Care Kit allows our levels to be repaired if lenses get scratched or broken and refreshes the two-toned wood body as well. For this job, you will need to gather the following: a chisel or screwdriver, punch, hammer, utility knife, latex or silicone caulk, caulk gun, and safety glasses. Clamp a wood block on the level to protect it from damage. The first step to replacing lenses in your Crick level is to remove the U-shaped clips that hold them in place. Slide a chisel or screwdriver under the clip. Bend it in and pop it out, making sure it doesn't go flying. To remove the old lenses, you will need to break it into smaller pieces with a punch placed safely away from the bubble levels. Using tape here can be helpful to catch and remove small shards. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses and remove the glass carefully. Next, clean out the old sealant from the wood with a utility knife so the new lens will fit properly. Make sure the new lens is clean and put it in place. Then run a thin bead of latex or silicone caulk around the edge of the glass and reinstall new clips by pressing them in place with your hand or the included tool. Finally, clean any remaining sealant and put your quality Crick level back to work for years to come.